Make $1,000 daily on Quora by asking questions? Do you want to know if you can really make up to $1,000 answering questions or asking questions as claimed by some YouTubers? Then welcome to today's video. Because in this video, we are going to show you if you can really earn on Quora, if it is worth spending time on. I'm on Quora myself, so let's find out if it pays as well or at all. But before we delve into the video, welcome to Anything Finance, a YouTube channel dedicated to you and your finances. Here, we discuss anything related to making money online. If it's finance, we'll talk about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post similar videos like this. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. And don't be shy to leave a comment for us in the comment section below, cause we'll like to know what you think. Now, let's get to the video. So let's just get straight to it. Yes, you can potentially earn from Quora, but not in the way most YouTubers claim. You can't just earn by answering questions, or by commenting, or even by asking questions. Because what you see on YouTube most of the time, is that you just go on Quora, create an account and start answering or asking intelligent questions, and abracadabra, a few moments later, you'll make your $1,000. Well, that's a lie. Quora is a very interesting platform, because you get to ask questions and you get to answer some questions as well, and there's always that vibrant and active community you can always rely on. For me, I'm on Quora, but I have never thought about the money aspect. I'm not even sure I'm in it for the money. I'm there when I have questions I can't find answers to, and I answer some questions when I stumble upon them and I feel that I can answer correctly. So far, I have never made even $1 on Quora. Maybe, only maybe if I should take the platform much more seriously, I could start earning some income. So, what are the ways you can really earn on Quora? How much exactly do you expect to earn? And how long does it take to earn a substantial amount? Here are the ways you can actually earn on Quora. By advertising your website or blog on Quora. Like I said, Quora is a crowdsourced answer and question platform that relies on the active community for engagement. Take note of the word active here. Yes, Quora is the easiest platform to get views and engagement on your posts. The site has up to 300 million active users per month. So just imagine sharing your link on your bio for millions of people to see. Imagine the amount traffic it can generate for your website or blog or even a YouTube channel. I have tried to share links directly on posts before, but it has never worked for me, so I suggest you just leave a link to your site on your bio. However, if you don't have or run a website or blog or YouTube, then you can earn by either allowing ads to run on your posts. You may get ads to run on your posts if you've generated enough traffic. Just like on YouTube, there's an option for monetization on your dashboard. Had it been I have generated enough traffic on Quora, I would have been able to show you firsthand how the monetization works, but as you can see, I've just generated 1,600 views. Which is too little for monetization. Remember, I told you that I've never taken my Quora journey seriously, and that's why I have this poor traffic. But if you're ready to put in the hard work and consistency, you'll get to monetize yours as soon as possible. Some people start earning after just 6,000 views, while some earn after 1 million views. Again, I don't know all the criterias involved in being eligible for monetization. You can also do some research and let us know in the comment section. Another way to earn on Quora is through promoting your affiliate links on Quora. Since Quora gets a lot of daily traffic, you can tap into that by promoting your affiliate links. However, you should know that you can't start throwing links everywhere in your posts like that. If you do that, your posts will not get approved and will not be seen by anyone. I'm talking from experience here. So, I'll suggest you take your time to build up a strong and trustworthy reputation on Quora. Find a product you're truly passionate about. Talk about it knowledgeably. Then add the link on your bio, where people can see it, without you getting punished by Quora. So, Now you know all the methods there's to making money on Quora. Is it something you think you can do? Is it worth the effort for you? Let us know in the comment section below. Before I say goodbye, if you know any other way to earn on Quora, please do share with us in the comment section. And that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with anyone you know, friends, foes or even frenemy. Please just share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.